Alright, so here's my 97 K2500 pickup here. It's been sitting here. Once in a while it's been pinging. Pre-detonation. Very light. And now all of a sudden it's been sitting for a little while and it won't start. I don't know if you can hear, but you can hear the fuel pump. And I know I've got pretty good fuel pressure, but listen to the starting. So this is what we're gonna be trying to figure out here. Hard start. Alright, so here we go. 97 K2500 GMC, Chevrolet, whatever. 5.7 liter. Hard to start. It sounded like when you turned it over from the previous video, it hit a hard spot. I thought it was a valve or something wasn't opening. But what I did was, I know I've been in here. I just gave this a service, tune-up, new distributor cap, all that. So I thought maybe that the distributor moved a little bit. So what I did, before I got too involved in this truck, I pulled the wire from the ignition coil going to the distributor cap. And when you turn the truck over, obviously it's not going to start, but it cranked over smoothly, really nice, like it normally should. When I hook it back up, it hit the hard spots. It didn't want to turn over, but it would start actually finally here, and it ran like garbage. So it's definitely ignition related at this point. So I started to adjust the distributor back and forth. It didn't really make a dang difference, and I was gonna take it out and inspect the gear because I know this truck is a little wore out, maybe a tooth broke or something. All right, I took the distributor cap. I just replaced this in the fall. It's June here now. Went through one winter, and this thing is all like corroded bad. It looks like it's been burned up, and it looks like there's antifreeze in here, and some moisture. And boy, look at the cap on this truck. It is just all freaking wrecked and burnt out. Look at that. What the hell's going on here? So I'm gonna change a cap and rotor again and see what the heck is going on if it does this thing again. And I'm gonna take that cap off, and I don't know, it looks like there's moisture or antifreeze in there, so stay tuned. Check this out. This is like a brand new distributor cap. It's supposed to be like blue, just like in here. This is like 6 months old. I just changed it because I bought the truck and I gave it a nice tune-up. And look at how burnt out and corroded this is. I wonder if moisture somehow got in here. And there's a little liquid down there. I touched that to my tongue and it just about burnt the hell out of my tongue and was bitter as hell. I don't know what that is. It didn't taste like antifreeze. But I wonder if maybe I washed the truck and it got, I don't remember washing the engine bay, but I could have gotten some moisture in there. And that's the only thing I can see that's wrong here. I'm gonna change it. I'll show you. We got a new auto parts store changed brands here, so CarQuest. I think that was a standard motor product, and obviously that's a brand new one here, and it should look like this. Another tip here with distributor caps, it's not on this one, but when you get a brand new distributor cap, inspect this here. Make sure that's not broken. I have seen broken brand new ones, and sometimes they have springs in them. In this case, the spring is on this middle cap piece there. I've seen the springs broken too, where they're defective right out of the box. So we'll put this on and see how the truck starts and runs. All right, so I'm going to start the truck up and try it out. Starts right up perfect. I don't have a code yet for a cam position correlation with the crank, so I think my timing's okay to drive. There is a special tool, as I said, to do all that. I don't have all that, but so I just turn it to where it runs decent, and I don't get that code. All right, so I'm just gonna go test drive it. Alrighty, so here's the other one here I just fixed. This is also my truck. It's my winter truck, and so far it seems fine. It started good. Not misfiring anymore. I don't know about the pinging issue. I think that was related to it. That could be ignition. Time will tell on that. I can't really figure that out on this one test drive. But what I am trying to do here is get it up to like cruising speed. So I'm doing about 55 miles an hour, a little under 2,000 RPM. This truck does have 373, so that's about right. Anyways, it would ping under load. This is kind of a separate issue than what I was just doing. The no start, hard start, ran rough, ran like crap. It just came out to be a distributor cap and rotor, and it just goes to show that if you just replace a part not too long ago, and this happens to me all the time, it sometimes don't just say on a truck or vehicle that you're working on, like, oh no, I just replaced that, so you don't even go and check it. No, you still got to double check, and if anything else, it really gives you a clue when your vehicle breaks down. Think about what you had just done to it, and a lot of times that happens where I just worked on the truck, now it's broke again. Well, just think, just keep it in the back of your head, hey, what did I just do to it last? Did I just give it a tune up, or maybe I put the distributor cap on crooked, or got a bad part, which always happens. Don't ever think, you can't count on quality anymore. I just made a video here of a lift pump. I just replaced a lift pump a couple years ago in that Cummins, so it just, things don't last, and don't always cancel that out of your diagnostics when you're trying to get something figured out. So I hope this helps someone out there. Thanks for watching. If you like it, hit subscribe, hit the like, comment. If you got questions, ask. I'll try to help you out. So take it easy.